Hello, everyone. Buffy the Rate Slayer here, and welcome to the latest episode of our weekly Market Insight series, which comes to you directly from the Capital Markets Trading Desk right here at SunWest Mortgage Company. So let's just get right to it. Markets were stable this week as the presidential debate and economic data did not spark much movement. Treasuries were little changed, while stocks were able to rebound after suffering losses during the previous week. Investors are focused on next week's Federal Reserve meeting, where it is expected that policymakers will start reducing interest rates by a quarter point. Wednesday's Labor Department report showed that the Consumer Price Index increased by 0.2% in August, meeting expectations. The annual inflation rate came in at 2.5%, a 0.4% decrease from July. It was the fifth consecutive annual drop and the lowest level since February 2021. Core CPI increased by 0.3% for the month, slightly higher than the 0.2 estimate. The 12-month core inflation rate was 3.2%, in line with the forecast. U.S. producer prices rose in August by slightly more than forecast. The Producer Price Index for final demand increased by 0.2% in August, slightly above the 0.1% forecast. PPI rose by 1.7 on a year-over-year basis, a slowdown from the 2.1 increase in July. Core PPI climbed 0.3% in August from the prior month and 2.4% from a year ago. Small business optimism in the U.S. declined in August by the most since June 2022. The National Federation of Independent Business Optimism Index dropped 2.5 points to 91.2 last month. The decline erased most of the gains made over the last 4 months. The Commerce Department Census Bureau said on Monday that wholesale inventories in the United States reached $903 billion after rising by 0.2% in July. The figures were revised from the expected 0.3% after holding flat in June. Inventories were up by 0.4 compared to July in 2023. Meanwhile, the wholesale trade report beat estimates with a 1.1% July sales gain after dropping by 0.3 in June and was up 2.9% from the revised July 2023 level. MBA mortgage applications rose for the third week in a row after climbing 1.4% during the week ending September 6. Purchase activity increased by 2% from the previous week, but was still down 3% on a yearly basis. The refinance index increased 1% week to week and was an astonishing 106% higher when compared to the same week last year. Mortgage rates declined for the sixth consecutive week, with the average 30-year fixed rate decreasing to 6.3%, the lowest rate since February last year. Applications for U.S. unemployment benefits increased for the first time in 3 weeks. Initial jobless claims increased by 2,000 to 230,000 for the week ending September 7th. Continuing jobless claims increased by 5,000 to 1.8 million for the week ending August 31st. In international news, the European Central Bank lowered the interest rate for the second time this year. On Thursday, the Governing Council decided to lower the deposit facility rate by 25 basis points to 3.5%. The unanimous decision was made as the ECB getting more confident that inflation is receding towards its target and wage increases are slowing down. I hope this video gave you knowledge and insight. If so, please hit that like button, share, and tap that notification bell. Join me on Fridays here to stay updated with the world news. Our trading desk will have the latest information about pricing incentives, so stay locked in so you never miss out. Have an awesome weekend, everybody. Buffy out.